Girl, I don't know about you, but let's bring back quick weaves. Like, I don't know where we went wrong, where we started doing all these extra steps, unnecessary steps, I may add, for these quick weaves, but let's bring back quick weaves. Okay, so as you guys seen, I just threw my hair in a ponytail. I did use the 30-second molding gel. I put my cap on, I put my liquid shield, and I literally got to gluing these tracks in. Like, simple, quick as that. I don't know when we started doing 15 plus braids, gluing the cap down, then molding the cap down. Like, girl, it's just too much. Okay, so when you're doing a side part, you want to make sure that you're not putting every single track in your face, like in the bang area, because you will have a thick fat ass bang, and we don't want that. Okay, so do like 2 or 3 tracks. Once you start to get to the top, it's very important, at least for my quick weaves, I like to make sure that each track fits evenly. So as you guys can see here, I'm closing up that space, and I'm going to make sure that my last track or 2 literally fits evenly. I'm not cutting a track, I'm just using one track to close up that circle. Okay, well, half a circle, whatever you want to call it, but you guys will see here one track going all the way around. Now you guys can't even see the little hump in the back where I have my ponytail. Like, quick weave, like, let's get back to the basics. Okay, I do use some foam to go ahead and lay my leave out. I will be honest, this may be one of those unnecessary steps for real, because I don't really see a difference, but I still do it. I don't know. I'm going to sit under the dryer and let that foam dry, and then when I get out, I'm going to spray me some heat protectant and get to blow drying my leave out. After I blow dry, I'm going to hit it with the hot comb. I'm also just going to go ahead and press out this hair just before I put my layers. I like to start with like a nice foundation, so I want to make sure that my hair is nice and straight before I start to go and chop up this hair. So you guys will see in the next clip, I took this hair from about a 20-inch to like a 16-inch. I did mess up this side. I'm not even gonna lie. Trying to look in the camera and cut, it was crazy, but the end results were still fire. I absolutely love this hair. I am doing a video on this hair for you guys. This was a new vendor that I tested, and I love it. Those blonde pieces that you see, you guys, those were black. Okay, we went from black to 613. Yes, look how flat this quick weave is sitting on the side. You want to make sure that you're laying your tracks straight. If you curve your tracks on that side, they will not sit flat like that. If you curve your tracks on the side, they will not sit flat like that, and you will not be able to wear your quick weave behind your ear. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and finish styling it. As you guys can see, I'm loving what it's looking like so far. Again, I messed up on this side, but it came out super cute. I'm actually glad I messed it up. Not even gonna lie. Like, it gives something else to the hair. And this is literally the final result. I'm gonna go back in and do my little touch up, make sure my flyaway are not showing. And yeah, bada bing, bada boom. Quick ass quick weave. Okay, bring back quick weaves in 2025.